what my goal is today. We've come out with some wonderful summer incentives. And the last Go for the Gold, I asked the question, how many people in the room understand all the bonuses that BEMA paid? And to my surprise, very few people understood them. And at this level, there should be a simpler explanation of what does that mean for you. So what I want to do is to go through, in a simple story format, our 9 bonus structure plan, and it's designed to give you a vision of where you're at today and what's coming. And so, my philosophy, obviously, is keep it simple. Say less to more people. What does that mean? That means when you have someone that's willing to listen, just give them enough information to begin to determine where their interest level is, and then you can always give more. So keep it simple. All we have is really a friend telling a friend compensation plan. And BEMA offers 2 different programs, a customer loyalty program or the opportunity to earn money building the brand. They both come with a free membership. Now, the customer loyalty program is very simple to explain. You establish your auto delivery, find 3 people of a similar auto delivery or more, and BEMA will remove the cost of your auto delivery, and you'll simply pay the tax and shipping, and it's BEMA's way of saying thank you for the referral. Now, if you're excited about Now, most people don't understand compensation plans. What they'll be excited about is that BEMA pays 9 bonuses, 5 weekly, 3 monthly, and 1 quarterly. But they'll get most excited about a simple game plan to get started. So let's go over 6 bullet points in getting started. Number 1, establish your auto delivery. Now, folks, this is your cost of doing business if you're building the brand. Purchase a silver builder pack or a gold builder pack. Create your contact list. 4, 5, and 6, we have a system that we call email, text, call. You're looking for 3 customers that remove the cost of your auto delivery and 3 brand partners as your initial game plan. So let's take a look at how it works. You're looking for 3 people who see what you see to become a brand partner and start with at least a silver builder pack. The Fast Start bonus will pay $100 per person, and now you've made $300. But because the frenzy bonus kicks in, by putting 3 people in a 1-week period of time, you've increased your profits by $400. And by finding 3 customers in the sorting process, you've removed the cost of your monthly auto delivery the following month. So let's review. You've made $700 on a $500 investment by finding 3 people. Well, there's no limit to the 2 bonuses that I just described. So by beginning to build the opposite side of your business and building your second team, you'll earn that $700 again. But oh, by the way, there's 2 more bonuses that reward you for building the other side of your business and building balanced. It's called momentum bonus and cycle bonus. What it means to you financially is an increase of $245 into your bank. check of $250 for your rank advancement bonus. So what's beyond? What's next? Well, there's two bonuses that you're about to begin to really earn significant money in, and it's tied to what? Duplication and creating and becoming a leader and building leadership in your organization. These bonuses are called the matching bonus. What it is first tier and second tier. And the best way to describe it is to put it in story format. Back in 2004, someone cared enough about me to pay for a 90-day experience of the product on auto delivery. Her name is Liz Samuelson. She is my enroller. She knew that if I really believed in the product, the company, and the opportunity, that I would create an incredible business model out of it. So she believed in me, and I had a vision to create something extraordinary. I'm an average person looking for a $500 a month residual income, but got good at teaching people how to keep it simple and how to help people reach what I had already done. Today, I've made $8 million in my career earnings with Vima. So the matching bonuses are simple to understand. She makes 10% of my cycle bonus earnings. And look at Tom. Can you imagine finding someone like Tom and myself, someone passionate about the industry, someone willing to say, I'll learn the simple steps to get started. How would you like to earn 10% of a couple of people's checks? That's the vision that we want to grow for you today. That's the value of spending time and teaching the people that you got started how to create their contact list, how to give them vision, how to help them talk to people and grow their business. It's a rewarding bonus. Now, what's at Diamond and Beyond? Well, it's pretty simple that you realize you are all Gold Team leaders or higher. And so what you're looking to do now is to be introduced to bonuses number 8 and 9. Our car bonus and our global bonus. So if you've reached the level of gold, your next step is simple. You're looking to hit the level of diamond, and you get there by partnering with someone on your left and right and helping them do what you've already achieved, which is to hit gold. And you'll find that there'll be more people than just one that want to get started. Spend the time to do it, and then you are driving one of the BMW, Mercedes, or branded cars. A brief introduction to the pin rank system. These are personal achievement rewards. When you shoot for diamond, imagine receiving a rank advancement bonus for Vima just to pat you on the back and say, great job, you did it, and to receive a $500 rank advancement bonus. These are significant. It's Vima's way of paying you for becoming a leader in personal achievement. You can see down to the rank of presidential, you will receive a bonus of $3,000 to achieve that rank and take part in the celebration at conventions where we get to go in early and be treated like royalty. That's just around the corner for you. So let's go over these 9 bonuses. The first 2 are tied to recruiting, who you personally enroll. The following 2 pay you for building 2 teams and building balanced. The following 2, the matching bonuses, are tied to duplication and creating and building leadership in your organization. Those 2 are tied to personal achievement for Vima to reward us for reaching our career ranks. And finally, the global bonus is your way of being paid for an international business, no matter where your business is, even if it's local and in your own town. So I want to leave you with a question. Where will you be 5 years from now? You see, when I went to my very first conference back in February 25th, 2005, I attended an event with 1,000 people, and I knew one person in the room. It was B.K. Barreco. And it was very difficult for me to spend time with him because everyone wanted to. But I sat in that room, and I listened to tremendous speakers because events change lives. And when I went to that event, I listened to Brian Tracy, who had us write down 10 things we wanted our lives to be. And I wrote down those 10 things, and personally, I was sitting next to strangers, thank goodness, because you wouldn't write down some of the things next to people you know. Like, I want to be financially free, because in your mind, you're believing, can I really do it? But when you have the freedom with people around you, that you have the freedom to just sit down and write 10 things you want your life to be, that's where that dream and that vision begins. And when I went home, I realized I had made the decision of a lifetime. And today, the Leadership Academy that we have brought here to you by Vima Corporate is a vision. When Tom Alcazar and I began to talk about how great it is to be able to have a room full of people all at a similar rank, because sometimes when we do events, there are people in the room that say, well, I just need to know how to get started. And there might be an individual that says, well, I know how to do that. I want to know how to go diamond to executive. And it's very difficult as a leader to create the content where you're not overwhelming people or you're giving the top leadership the vision to how to grow further. Our vision for what this room is today is all of you have the same reach right in front of you, and you're all at the exact same step. And some of you are past gold. We want to give you a vision to go beyond and to shoot for presidential. That's within your reach. So you're going to go home from here today and know that your next step is to shoot what's already set in front of you. Every one of you have a piece of paper at your table. If I were you, I'd go hang it everywhere in your home. That is your simple game plan. That's what needs to be in front of you at all times. Take the time to decide where you want to be 5 years from now. The other thing I wrote down on that piece of paper was Charlie the Tremendous Jones gave a great message. And he said, where will you be 5 years from now? You'll be the same person you are today outside of the books you read and the people you spend your time with. And I wrote that down, and my 5 years have changed and not only made us financially free, but blessed us with an organization where now it's time for us in levels of leadership to give back and never lose our passion for helping the newest person get started. And that's a great tip that I can give you. Never forget what it's like to get started, and always take that hand of that new person and help them grow. I realized when I left there that I was looking for people with passion, because one person with passion will do more than 50 people that are interested. And I'd like to thank you for this time. Hope that I've made the bonus plan sound just a little bit simpler, that you can invest and spend some time to know exactly what's right around the corner for you. And I look forward to your success. Thank you.